Our history is more than a record of what happened. It's the heartbeat of who we are. You can feel it in the rolling bluegrass hills, in the winding paths of our rivers, and in the vibrant pulse of our cities. But to truly understand Kentucky is to know the people and places that shaped its story. Along Kentucky's African American Heritage Trail, with immense variety and breathtaking scope, our African American Heritage Trail is an invitation to see the Commonwealth through the eyes of the pioneers, artists, and heroes who moved our state and our nation forward. It's a remarkable journey of discovery, from Paducah to the Appalachian peaks, with more than 60 unique sites that inspire any visitor intent on sharing truly authentic experiences. From national monuments to historic neighborhoods, landmarks to cultural centers, groundbreaking schools to world-class museums, visitors are immersed in the full spectrum of history. All across the bluegrass, the trail is more than a tour of our past. It's a triumph of the American spirit. It's a unique chance for your family to connect over profound discoveries, for you and your friends to be emboldened by unsung trailblazers and witness the enduring power of perseverance. It's a monument to cultural influences and innovations that have enriched every facet of American society, from music to faith, from education to business, from science to sports. Embark on your fascinating journey of discovery in our new Kentucky home, where hope endures and our distinctive history change the world. Plan your exploration of Kentucky's African American Heritage Trail at kentuckytourism.com/AAHT.